Hey, here's Linky. All right. So Lincoln and I got up early today. We went to a Walmart, and we just checked out the monster truck selection like usual, right, bud? We didn't think they had anything cool, but then we found this. Check this out. It's a 143 size radio-controlled Tiger Shark. Look at that. So these are the very small monster trucks, and that's him. So he's not huge, but he's remote control. What do you think, Link? Is he gonna be cool? I think we should open him up, right? All right, so Link's gonna start opening up monster truck remote control guy over there, Tiger Shark. Major's gonna play with the ball. All right. Need a hand with that, Link?
No.
No. So far, so cool?
Let's see.
Yeah, he's not working, right? So I'm gonna go grab some batteries.
No, it's a little control. It almost looks like it doesn't work, but it looks like you're playing video game.
It's like a little baby control.
It looks like you're playing a video game.
Well, let's find out. I'll go get the batteries and we'll see how he works, all right? I'll be right back. All right. Well, I got the screwdriver. Got the batteries. Let's put them in there and see if this guy works, Link. What do you think? Here, you want to record?
It'll walk. It'll walk.
Let's see. Let's take the battery boxes off first. Oh my gosh, I need a bigger screwdriver. Hold on. All right, we just got the last battery in. Let's turn this guy on. I'll switch on the top there. Whoop, whoop. On. All right, let's put it on the ground here. All right, Link, let's try it out, buddy. No, hold on.
Not going.
It's not going. Did I screw up the batteries? Try it again.
Not going.
Oh boy. All right, so we just had a quick issue with the batteries. Maybe they weren't in right or something. The truck wasn't moving. We think we fixed it. Let's give it a whirl. All right, Link, you ready? All right, see if it works. Oh, whoa, he's quick. Oh my gosh, let's take him to the driveway.
Yeah.
All right. We moved out to the driveway. We're gonna check out this truck, see how fast he is. All right, Link, let her rip. Show us how good this thing.
No,
He's tiny.
I turned it.
Oh, you turn him off? All right. He's a tiny little truck, huh? Holy poopy. Look at him go. He's fast, man. Wow. Whoa. Keep going, man. Show us how quick he is. Yeah, I think he might be our best truck. We have the really big grave digger with the foam wheels, and then we got the smaller grave digger. But this is the smallest remote control truck we have, and he's fast. Link, do you like him?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What do you think?
I think that's super slow because he keeps going like this.
Well, he is small, so I guess the little things kind of flip him a little bit. Pretty cool, all right. You want to see if he works in the grass?
Oh, yeah.
Here, put him up there. Let's see if he works. I don't think he's going to go anywhere. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I was wrong. There's a shark in the grass. Ah, there's a shark in the grass. Uh-oh, I think he's stuck. Oh boy. Dun, 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 dun. Adventures of Shark in the Grass. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, no. Oh no, that's really tall stuff. Here, bring him out this way. All right, let's see if we can get him to go. Whoa!
It goes faster than that.
Come here,
Let's
Sharky.
see him go down the
Oh, down the hill to the driveway. Good idea. Ready? Come on, tiger shark. Wow. Good flip.
Cannonball!
Linc's in the zone over here. Trying to make him drive right. Look at him. He's really into it. You got him? Watch over that grill, man. Look at him. The tiger shark must be hungry. He's going to the grill. Oh, I think he flipped. Okay.
I want to show you guys something cool.
Something cool? Oh, wow. Do you think he's going to make it over these big rocks? Look at these rocks. They're bigger than him. Man, he's like a crazy shark monster truck. Let's see if he works. Oh my gosh, he's working. Hey, hold on. Linc's got a good idea. We're going to take Tiger Shark and put him down the slide. There you go. Ready? All right, buddy. Shoot him down. He tumbled, didn't he? that was pretty good. Is he strong enough to go up? Oh, a little push. Whoa! Holy poop. Did he break?
No.
He's still going? Okay, shoot him down again. Try to get him straight. Whoa! Straight enough. Man, he's got to land one of them. Try it again. Will Tiger Shark ever land on his wheels? That's the question. He did it! He did it!
He turned around. He turned around.
He did. He did like a flip. That was cool. Let's see if we can do it again. Uh-oh. I think he needs a little attention from Dad. Let me see if I can fix him. Let me see. Turning. Push the up button. See if it works. Oh, Daddy fixed him. Here, let's make him go down again. Ready? Ready? Go. Dude, he did like 8 flips there.
I want to see on slow-mo.
We'll watch it. We can make it a slow-mo video. Whoa. We just let him go there? I'll try him backwards.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe he can land better backwards. Like, you gotta, yeah, you gotta push backwards to go backwards, right? There, let's try again. Whoa, I thought he had it. That was close. All right, one more try. Uh-oh, what the? Is he stuck?
No, I picked him. The wheels on the
Oh. Oh, almost.
Let's try again.
All right.
How about we do it sideways?
How's he gonna go down sideways? If you can get him down sideways, I want to see. Oh, he did it. He did it. How do you do that?
Oh, I pressed forward, then he went down.
No way you can do that again. Oh, go backwards, go! Oh, backwards! Make him go all the way off. All right, one more time down, buddy. Backwards, go down. He'll go right down, go down. Backwards, hit the backwards button. Down on the control, Linc. The other backwards. Dude, you're crazy, man. What happened to him? Oh, there you go, it's backwards. Oh, he crashed again. All right, that was fun. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Eh.